Okay, it's Hurricane Irene, and we're hanging out. Oh, and Vera, Devin, and Daddy are snuggling. Oh, Vera, you hugging your brother? Give him a big hug.
That's the only way I can get Reed to stop crying.
Do you love your brother? Can you give him a kiss? Oh, he loves you. Oh, all right. I think he's hungry, BB.
Do you want to feed him now, Vera?
You want him to eat? Okay. Can we bye-bye, Vera?
Do you want to get on this, Devin?
Devin, look at your brother and sister. No, you have jiggles, right? Devin, can you say hi? Okay, bye-bye. All right. And here's our porch furniture because of the storm. And it's dark out there.
Reed just sucked on her finger. He is hungry.
All right, we're going to give Reed a bottle, Vera.
Get him to do it again.
Oh, watch his neck. Watch his neck.
Be careful.